Cozy Winter Delight, Snowstorm White Mocha. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're brewing up something extra cozy, extra creamy, and absolutely perfect for chilly winter days, the Snowstorm White Mocha. If you love rich white chocolate, smooth espresso, and a frosty swirl of winter magic, this drink is going to be your new seasonal obsession. Let's jump right into it. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup milk, any kind you prefer, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup white chocolate chips or white chocolate sauce, 2 shots hot espresso, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, whipped cream, white chocolate shavings or sparkling sugar. Optional, a tiny pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg for warmth. All right, let's start building this winter masterpiece. Step 1. Warm your milk, heavy cream, and white chocolate together over low heat. Stir gently until the chocolate melts completely and the mixture becomes silky smooth. Make sure it never boils. We're going for soft, snow-like richness. Step 2. Add your vanilla extract, giving the mixture that dreamy sweetness that makes this mocha taste like a winter dessert in a mug. Step 3. Brew 2 fresh shots of espresso. Pour them into your favorite mug, then slowly stream the white chocolate mixture over the top. The colors swirl together like a cozy snowstorm, hence the name. Step 4. Finish with a generous cloud of whipped cream. Add white chocolate curls or sparkling sugar to make it look like fresh snow. And that's it. Your Snowstorm White Mocha is ready to enjoy. Perfect for holiday mornings, snowy nights, or anytime you need a warm hug in a cup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more cozy coffee creations. Snowflake Coffee Star. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.